Alright guys, welcome back to the vlog. We're not in Yellowstone. I promise it's coming up, we're going in a couple weeks. But we have a surprise today. Logan brought me all the way out here. He's surprising me with a horse. He bought me a horse. I can't believe...
That's not why I really brought you here.
Wait, what?
Oh, that's awkward.
Yeah, so I guess we're going to do a Q&A today. I did a poll. What?
Huh? Nothing.
Yeah, I did a poll on Instagram on our page, Epic Lifestyle. It's in the description, you know. But, so we're going to answer some questions today. Just do a fun little vlog before we head up to Yellowstone in a couple weeks. So let's answer these questions.
Yep, let's have some fun.
First question.
Alright, first question.
A question we get asked almost every day, very frequently.
Not just by you guys.
Yeah.
By our families.
Yep.
Why are we so gay? I don't know. I don't know.
It's kind of like a three-way situation right here.
Like we're trying to figure it out. I don't think
He's gone to the doctors and
I've seen a lot of therapists.
Okay.
I don't know. I just
I
just love these guys.
Yeah,
That's all it is.
Yeah, just kind of swing it.
What?
What?
what did you just say?
Wait, what?
I didn't say anything.
Okay, good. Yeah. So
Next
question.
Next question.
Where did we meet this kid?
That's a big question.
Funny you ask, and very ironic. We met him at a Panda Express. He was working, cooking
that's
my
right.
orange chicken.
I was like serving that orange chicken, you know, like this guy coming up like, hey, you guys want to like film me, like vlogging?
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I was like, yeah, why not?
And now we're lovers.
Sure.
I mean, best friends. Yep.
Yep, that's right. The next question is, what's our goal in 2019?
Alright, so our biggest goal for 2019 is basically we want to travel to different states, not just Utah to film.
states.
So we want to get a lot of awesome footage in just a million other states.
Just bring you guys with us and show you guys our adventures. That's really it. We just want to have fun.
Yep.
This is about. Boring. All right, Tony. I got a question for you. I have a couple people saying, do you think we are rude to you? Do you think we're like bad friends?
Yeah.
What?
This is kind of like, it's been a jerk to me, but I kind of like it though.
Alright, Tom. Let's go back here.
Oh, what?
Next question is if we can go anywhere to film, like a dream place, where would we want to go? I think we all have separate answers, so where would you want to go?
I'd say definitely Greece. That's where I'm from, and that's one place that I've always wanted to go.
What about you?
Hong Kong definitely, because it's like a nice place and like with like all the antique stuff. Yeah.
I don't want to go back to Hawaii. I love Hawaii, and it's just beautiful.
That's a paradise.
Exactly. So.
12 seconds later.
Well, jump in the snow challenge.
Jump in the snow.
Right. Try to accept that, boy.
Yeah, go.
He needs some milk.
Alright guys, so the next question is, why does it take us so long to post videos? And I'm gonna be honest, it's hard being married to a husband who works every day. I mean,
That's right.
I mean, it's hard being friends with someone who works a lot. Yeah, we all have lives. We all work.
Yeah, school going on.
We have school going on.
Deadlines, assignments.
Yeah, we all have 9-to-5 jobs, so it's a little bit hard to post as frequently as we'd like.
Yeah, it's hard.
Not the only thing that's hard.
What?
Huh?
I said it's not the only
It's
thing
not
that's
as
hard.
hard.
We have more
Okay.
difficult things going on in our lives.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, so, but we're gonna post as frequent as we can because we like doing this. We don't like it. We love doing this. And
Yeah,
we just want to put out some good content for you guys. So, just
go.
be patient
And keep watching.
because you know I have a son I gotta feed soon. So please watch.
Yeah.
Alright, so how do you think that the video is going so far?
You know, I thought the video was going very well. We were doing some good questions. You know, we answered it okay, and then you know we got in the hot tub, and that's when things got weird. Just 3 dudes naked in some warm water. I'm not comfortable with it at all. Tong, how did you feel about that hot tub experience?
Me know English?
So Logan, how did you feel about the hot tub experience outside?
You know, honestly, I loved it. I loved being in there with my friends. We definitely connected in a way that I've never connected with them before. I came out a changed man for sure.
Alright guys, I'm really sorry about what you guys just witnessed. We just wanted to experiment and try something new.
I'm not.
That's alright.
You're not what?
Not sorry.
Yeah.
You like what?
Yeah, we were just swinging it.
Anyways, so thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for sending us those questions on Instagram. Make sure you follow us. You can look at our Instagrams below. And
Make sure to follow my Instagram, Fabulous Magical Unicorn.
Okay.
Oh. Alright, carry on, dude.
So, as I was saying, thank you guys again for watching this video. I promise Yellowstone's coming soon. It's going to be a lot better than this video. We just didn't want to go a month without posting, so, yep. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Leave a like.
Like
Share
and comment.
And comment.
Next places we should go. You should comment places you'd like to see us go, because we're always looking for more suggestions.
Sure, and we'll be there. Right?
We'll be there.
Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see every couple tries to stop. Rocking around the Christmas tree, let the Christmas spirit ring. Later we'll have some pumpkin pie and we'll do some caroling. Rocking around, 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 rocking, 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 rocking.